everyone. It's your girl Kenzie here from Layton Sports Cards. Ripping a personal for Jeremiah S. We've got another one. Another triple threads. 2021 baseball. Good luck. Here we go, Jeremiah. Wants to see some lumber. Let's see it. Let's see some lumber. All right, Jackie Robinson, George Springer, and Miggy Cabrera. Up first for the Dodgers, we've got October winner, green to 18, game used memorabilia, Cody Bellinger. Is Cody Bellinger, October winner. It's from Triple Threads. Jeez, that's crazy. And we've got a autograph single jumbo relic, purple to 75, Rhys Hoskins. That is game used. Jeez, that was hard to read on that purple. Game used. There you go. Hoskins purple. To 259, Honus Wagner. And a 299, Ricky Henderson. All right. We've got Joey Votto, Roberto Clemente, and Shohei Ohtani. For the Cubbies, we've got, there's some lumber for you, out of 27, Anthony Rizzo, Chicago, CHC. And that is game used, 21 of 27. 21? Nathan, it's one encased autograph card that is Beckett certified. We've got a single jumbo relic, orange, 18 of 18, bookend, a Luis Patino, player worn, rookie patch. So it's a Beckett slab, authenticated autograph per box. It's pretty cool. I can show you the card that was pulled earlier if you'd like. Out of 299, Anthony Rendon. And out of 125, Nolan Arenado. All right, that'll do it for you, Jeremiah. Congrats again. Thanks so much for hopping back in, and we'll get these right out to you.